Happy morning, children. Today's class, you are going to learn grammar. Modal auxiliary verbs. What is it? Modal auxiliary verbs or modal verbs. Before learning this grammar, you should know about verbs. Okay, what is a verb? A verb is a showing word. Okay, a verb is a showing word that shows an action, an event or a state. A sentence may either have a main verb, a helping verb or in both. In other words, a verb is a word that informs about an action, an existence of something or an occurrence. The verb is a main word in a sentence. No sentence can be completed without a verb. See, there are two types of verbs, main verbs and auxiliary verbs. See, what is a main verb? Main verb or action verbs are used to express action, something that an animal, a person or a thing does. In each of the following sentence, we only have a main verb. See here, the sun is a noun, shines is a verb, okay, action verbs. See, can, could, may, might, must, ought, shall, should, will, would, okay, those words are called as auxiliary verbs. And see where and how to use those words, okay, can, could, may, might, must, ought to you live, okay, shall, should, will, would, okay. Let's see in detail, okay, how to use those words. Can is one of the most commonly used modal verbs in English. It can be used to express ability or opportunity, to request or offer permission, and to show possibility or impossibility, okay. I can ride a bicycle or horse, okay. And could is a modal verb used to express possibility or past ability as well as, okay. See, for example, you could see a movie or go out to dinner, okay. And next word, shall is a modal verb used to indicate future action. It is most commonly used in sentences with I or we and is often found in suggestions such as shall we go. Okay, shall is also frequently used in promise or voluntary actions. Okay, for examples, shall I help you? Okay, for suggestion. I shall never forget. Okay, where I came from. Okay, promise. And next word, should. Should is a modal verb most commonly used to make recommendations or give advice. It can also be used to express obligations as well as expectation. Okay, see examples. When you go to Berlin, you should visit the palaces in Potsdam. I should be at work before 9. We should return the video before, right? And next word, may. May is a modal verb. You use may to indicate that something will possibly happen or be true in the future, but you cannot be certain. Okay, it is not certain. Okay, just to look at that example, Johnny, you may leave the table when you have finished your dinner. May use your bathroom, okay, for request. Next word, might. Might is a modal verb most commonly used to express possibility. It is also often used in conditional sentences. Okay, English speakers can also use might to make suggestions or requests, although this is less common in American English. Okay, for example, your purse might be in the living room. And next, you might visit the botanical gardens during your visit. And might I borrow your pen? Request. And next word, must. Must is a modal verb. Okay, we use must when we want to say that it is necessary or very important that something happens in the present or future. I must work hard, okay, on my English, okay. And next word, will is a modal verb used with the promises or voluntary actions that take place in the future. See children, for examples, I will make dinner tonight, okay, for voluntary actions. He thinks it will rain tomorrow, okay, for prediction. And next word, would is an interesting modal with numerous functions. For example, it is used to make polite offers or request, okay. Would you like some more tea, okay, if you are asking someone. Would you help me please, okay. It is often used to express wishes. I wish you wouldn't keep tapping a pencil on the table. Okay, children, this is a question for you. You can complete this. I have no idea about computers, but John dash help you. Okay, choose the correct answer. Second question, I had some problems repairing the roof by myself, but in the end I dash do it without help. Okay, third, the cafeteria was full. I dash find a seat anywhere. And fourth question, you dash told me it was his birthday. I would have bought him a present. Children, find out the correct answer. Fifth one, do you think we dash take photos in here? Okay. And sixth question, Don't call him now. He dash have got out of bed yet. Okay. And seventh question. It dash be easy for Mary. Her parents died when she was only 4 years old. Children, find out the correct answer. Eighth one. John's usually home by now. Where do you think he is? He dash late. He has a big project to finish. And ninth question. I dash remember to buy milk on the way home. And 10th one, okay, last question. England are going to win the World Cup. You dash be joking. Right, children? So totally I gave you 10 questions. You can choose the correct answer. Okay. Thank you, children. Complete this. Okay. Complete all the 10 questions. Thank you.